For this project, you'll need safety glasses and gloves, putty knives, one thin, flexible, and one thick, rigid, a hard rubber mallet, a caulking gun with silicone, and suction cup. Windows that are sent out to the field ship open will be sent with 1/16 inch by 3/8 inch glazing tape already applied with a backing that must be removed during glazing. Attached to the frame will be pieces of pre-cut glazing bead and setting blocks. The setting block should be placed on the sill, 4 inches from each corner. Remove backing from setting block tape before placing block on sill. Setting blocks will help reduce shearing in insulated glass unit or IGU seal failure. They must be placed directly under the IGU to support the weight of the glass. Peel the backing of the glazing tape and apply a 1/8 inch clear silicone at the butt joint where the two pieces of the tape meet. This provides an added protection against the possibility of any water infiltration. Set IGU on the setting blocks and center unit into frame. Make sure the IGU is sitting completely on the setting blocks. IGU should have the low E or tent side facing the exterior. Be sure to center the IGU such that there is at least 1/8 inch gap between the edge of glass and frame around the entire IGU. This will ensure that there is enough room for the glazing bead to fit. Insert the top and bottom glazing bead, starting at the corners, about 4 inches to hold the IGU in place. Apply pressure to the IGU along the entire perimeter of the frame. This activates the glazing tape adhesive and ensures a solid and even seal. Push in the remaining glazing bead on all 4 sides. Perform a final inspection of the window to ensure bead is properly installed and IGU is secure.